Today's workout is as many rounds as possible in 12 minutes. Wake up your nervous system and warm up with 2 agility laterals. Shuffle laterally to the right and to the left, making sure both feet land in each square of the ladder. Face forward and step laterally into the squares of the ladder. Think in, out and up.
The Bulgarian split squat is a great exercise to build lower body strength.
In the setup, look for a balanced position and focus on loading the front leg.
Avoid excessive strain on your lower back by adjusting the position of your feet accordingly.
Drop the back leg to the ground in a deep lunge while keeping your chest up.
Single leg strength helps to correct muscular imbalances and improve stability.
Make sure your front knee stays over the center of your foot and does not pass your toes. For the push press, stand hip width with your hands slightly outside of the shoulders. To press, the torso dips straight down and the hips and legs extend rapidly. Repetition is complete at full hip, knee and arm extension. Do singles or double unders. The torso remains upright, the hands are slightly in front of the hips and the elbows stay close to your body. Finally, and to train the core, side planks. Make sure head and heel are in line and shoulder and wrist are in line. Have a solid base in your feet, lift the body up using the obliques and keep the hips centered. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, go!